Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So today I will be reacting to some gaming memes because the whole squad is a gamer, and today I actually have FACECAM, so now you can see me. So let's get straight into this. Mobile game ads, actual game. I feel like that's true though. That's seriously true, because every time I design a thumbnail, this design app, I take a step back to put in the screenshot, and then I just get a game ad, and the game actually looks cool, so I decide to download it, and then the game comes out exactly like that. Like that down there, you see that? The one underneath, yeah. It comes out like that. So let's press play now because it's 1 minute in. Okay, let's go. Overwatch fans, why would we play for the same game twice? FIFA. When you get killed in a game, what can I say except he's cheating? No, I feel that's true. No, that's seriously true. I played Roblox Arsenal when I was I don't know, a long time ago. And there was someone who was getting a lot of kills. He was really good at the game. And then I just see the chat just spamming with, "He's a cheater." Okay, you know what? Just stop and let's just go. Everyone in 2013. Let's see. Thinking the new Xbox would be Xbox 720, Microsoft. We are Xbox One. Yes, that's true though. Mario at the beginning of every level. Here we go. Yes, I used to play Mario, so I can say that. I used to play Mario, so yeah. Yeah. Speedrunner is doing a casual run of a game. Okay. Oh, yeah. Display audio accessibility. Me trying to find subtitles on a game. Yes, that's so true. That is just so true. I always try to find subtitles on a video game. Because the characters are always talking in Japanese and whatever, and I could barely read Japanese, so I try to find the subtitles that has display audio and accessibility. So I'm which one do I choose? Next one, 12-year-olds on Xbox Live today. 12 years on Xbox Live in 2012. No. Yes. Because 12-year-olds on Xbox Live were raging. 12-year-olds on Xbox Live in 2012 are chill, bro, chill. I lost, but that's okay. Okay, next one. Game. Press start. Me. Press his other key. Game. Start anyways. Make the trickster. Yes. Young inventors create device that converts noise to electricity. What? What's this? When did that happen? Russian kids on CS. You're no longer suffering from depression. This is why I hate video games, that it appeals to male fantasy. Despite popular belief, pressing down the B button won't increase your chances of capturing a Pokemon. What? Instead of academy training wasted years. No, I'm serious, years. Kids remember this dragon, men remember this dragon, only legends remember this dragon. No, I'm just a man. PS4 exists, my little brother. PS4. Hello? Yes, this is just 2020 is officially the last game we. What? Oh no. No, he's gonna be sad. No! Me explaining I'm the reason why Generation 3 and 5 Golden Age Pokemon, and the therapist asks about my clinical depression. Ooh, you do not want to be asking that. We get there when we get there, yes. When 2005 is yes, and 6 years away. The world looks nothing like Black Ops 2. What? Oh my god. Are you serious? Are you serious? Let's continue. The biggest achievement someone... my face cam is locking. I just put, like, I don't know. Ever reach in their entire life. What's that? Oh, I didn't see that. When you completely upgrade your weapon. That's true, though. No, I feel true. That's, like, true. Because, like, when you upgrade your weapon, so the weapon just, like, has, like, 4 bullet holes just going everywhere. Like, one is up there, one is by my poster right in the back there, one is over there. Anyways, let's move on to the next one. Me playing Pokemon and only using offensive moves to fight. All the status changing moves in the game. Oh no. But I feel like that's kid me though. Like me playing Pokemon, like, and only using offensive moves to fight, like only using attack moves, like no blocks whatsoever. And then all of the bot just like block, attack, strike, heavy strike. Let's continue. Nobody. There's NPCs in different video games. Yes, it's true. Media, video games cause violence. Anyone with common sense? Pretty sure it doesn't, bro. Pretty sure it doesn't. It doesn't, bro. It doesn't. It doesn't. Like, what could video games do to you? Like, seriously, what could they do to you? When your Steam download goes from 2 weeks to 8 hours. Now we're really picking up speed, yes. When you're only guy on your team with a skin. Me playing video games home alone. Scary sound. Red Redemption 2. Grand Theft Host. Me running through enemy camping in the corner. Hello. Hey guys, who would play Fortnite with me? That's a 14 brother. I'll play Fortnite with you, even if you don't like it. Yeah. I'll play with you too. I personally prefer Minecraft, but we could have fun playing. Oh yeah. Spot on, I don't care what I'm playing with, if I'm having fun with you guys. Yes! Bullet during gameplay. Yes, bullet during cutscenes. Like, they hurt. Something was invented 1799. People in 1788. I didn't get it. My friend's second controller I'm using. His controller. Yes. It's all fun games until, like, your cousin gives you a broken controller to play with. I feel like that's my childhood. They would always, like, play Minecraft. And then when I want to play, they would be like, here, take this controller. And I would be like, oh yeah, I'm playing, yes. And then all, like, 4 of them are, like, sitting down in one row. And they're like, yeah, go on. Let's continue. Me, I'm not strong as you. My older brother letting me beat him at throws. No, you're stronger. True. Me, joking, Chinese game attack. Would you please listen? I'm not the losing team. He is the Messiah. People in the 90s. Wow, this is so realistic. Oh my god. When you skip all the cutscenes and follow the marks on the map, I do as the crystal guides. Using your most powerful character to win a game. Using your favorite character even though it's not as good. Yeah. Sam's when to get a girlfriend. Get married and have kids in 5 minutes. I do like the crystal guides again. When someone team kills you by accident. When someone when you team kill someone by accident. Oh yeah. When you get close to Hyrule Castle and the beneath of the what? I don't understand that one. Me to my starter Pokemon after he had to solo the Pokemon League 7 times. 7 times. So the others could level up and with the XP share. You can rest up. Pedestrians in GTA, when they see me driving towards them at 115 miles per hour. Go ahead, hit me. It'll make you feel better. I've never played GTA, but that feels so true. Like, they're just always walking, like, in the middle of the road when you're, like, driving. And that's just... Okay, let's continue. How are you dead? I have no idea. I don't know how you're dead either. NPCs when I have to escort them. NPCs when I have to fight them. They're so FIFA 2014. Stickman FIFA 2019. What? That was no. NPCs when they catch pickpocketing when you're asleep. Gamers in real life. Okay, gamers on the mic. Gremlin. Keep changing my settings mid-match. RTX off. RTX on. No, that's so true. That's so true. Elon Musk new Tesla. Me going back to the first mission at level 99. Like, they're so big and, like, it's so small. Me pressing the fake X on mobile game, it's my phone up and out. Like, the last one. Unhated game, real meeting. Wait, no. The boys and I on December 3rd when Halo drops for PC. Yes. They're like all like armored up and like ready to go. It's all fun and games when the homies get on different teams. Let's continue. When you get a super rare item in the tutorial and the game lets you keep it. Oh yes, that one friend that always invites you as soon as you get in line. This is me, old man. GTA pedestrians watching me drive towards at 200 miles per hour. Stop making so many multiplayer games. I don't have friends. I'm sorry to tell you this, but I do. I have a whole squad of 9 people, and I can come at you with that. I can be the opposite of that. You hear me, you Simpson? Let's continue. Games when you do nothing. Playing games you're supposed to be doing homework. My mom. It's just a cold. My doctor's just a cold. Google. I'll order your tombstone just in case. FIFA consumers. Oh, what changed this year? FIFA. Nothing. The game lets you keep that one OP weapon from the store. Yeah, I'm super cool. Me is on a 10-player kill streak. Bye. Oh no, Mace are disappearing. The entire enemy team. I don't know. Press any button to contact me. Presses the Windows button. Game. Oh man, what are you doing? 2006. Wow, he must have done something really difficult to earn that armor. 2019. Wow, he must have spent so much on his money to buy that armor. That's so true. Like, that's so true. Because everyone is just like, oh my god, where do you get that skin? You must have saved up, like, for years to get that skin. Me. Hey Nintendo, can we get a Squirtle Nintendo? No, wait, no. Hey Nintendo, can we get a Squirtle? Nintendo. No, we have Squirtle at home. Squirtle at home. When you sneak up behind a camper and you deciding how to kill him. Oh my god, no. Girls in car practice. Boys in car practice. Halo 3. Halo 3. Yes. That's so true. Fix the bug. Nah. Deny the bug exists. Oh yeah, so cool. Declare it an Easter egg. Yes. When you use a gold mushroom on Rainbow Road, they call me a madman. PC gamers, come play Java DPI too high. Console gamers who have played at max sensitivity. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That's so true. But anyways, guys, that's it for today's video because this video is already 15 minutes long. I'll do a part 2 if you guys want, with more FaceCam. But that might be coming like Friday, because Friday's half day for me in school. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video with FaceCam. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. Just smash him. Just go bam into the camera. Yes, okay. So you do that. Subscribe, post notifications, and like. Comment too if you want to. You can comment and say something nice, say something heartwarming, something inspiring, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope I'll have FaceCam in the next video, but anyways, goodbye.